All right, fill in the XY chart for me, please. Will Erkman.
10, 15.
Awesome. So far, is your graph proportional?
Yes.
So far it is. All right, now, I need to make sure that it goes through the origin, so here's the question I have to ask myself. If James babysits for 0 hours, how much money does he make? Grayson? $0. So that's my coordinate of 0, 0. Is this graph going to go through my origin?
Yes.
Yes. That means that this graph is proportional. Very good. Okay. Let's write these in unit rates really quick just so we can practice. 5-1. 5-1. Natalie? 5-1. So that also shows you that it's proportional. So if you ever get stuck and you're confused and you're thinking to yourself, is this proportional? I can't really tell if that line is curved. What's going on? Find your unit rates. And if they don't match up, then you know it's not proportional. Okay? So what I'm doing is I'm now taking you from finding unit rates to graphing them. So even if you find them, that's wonderful. I want to see it graphed. Yes, sir.
So like if we're graphing this, and there's no 0, 0 on it, if we find our unit rates and they're all equal, does that mean...
As long as you ask yourself, if he works 0 hours, how much money is he going to get paid?
$0.
Okay. Let me give you a story problem that wouldn't do that. James gets paid a $1 fee if his babysitter doesn't call him for that day. But then is it proportional? No, because now it's going to be 1, 0. Okay, so I know that's kind of weird, like what babysitter is going to pay you $1 because they didn't call you? I'm just trying to give you a situation. Does that make sense? That's when it would be unproportional. Sorry, I need to like chill out and fix my mouth.
That's why you go at 11:30.
I keep screwing up today.
Just go like...
All right, do B, please. They already did your XY chart for you, so all you got to do is graph it. And you can do this one in the book because they gave you the graph in the book. You can see it, right? I know
You need to retrace the lines.
There are no lines. Go home lines.
Oh yeah, you can see them, but they're like chicken.
That's
I
how
don't
you
know what
write
that means.
The lines are invisible. He's like, you can see the head. I mean, they're chicken because they won't remember writing.
I shouldn't hear any talking. Your XY chart's done for you. Just graph it, and then I want you to tell me if it's proportional or not proportional. You need to be able to explain why. All 27 of you, even if I don't call on you. Graph it. On the B line, is it proportional or not proportional? You can put yes or no. But you need to be able to explain it to me. Why is it proportional? Why is it not proportional? It's not funny. And if this is one of those times where you're looking at the chart, you're going, can't really tell if that's straight, I can't tell if there's a curve, what would you do? Michael Vondran?
Use make the rates on the graph.
Good, find the unit rates. If you're stuck and you can't really tell if it's curved or not, find unit rates. Okay? How many of you need more time? Awesome! Is this, I'm sorry, raise your hand if it's proportional.
What?
Raise your hand if it's not proportional. Good, it's not proportional. What makes it not proportional? Let's look at those unit rates. The first one I have is 4 to 1. Okay, Okay, the second one I have is 8 to 2. Those are proportional. But now I want you to look at 13 to 3. Sorry, is that going to give you a unit rate of 4 to 1? No, because 13 divided by 3 is not 4. Okay, do you see how we did that? And that's a tricky one. That one looks straight. It looks very straight. You have to watch those unit rates. OBKB?
Okie baby.
Okie baby.
Okie baby.
That would be disgusting.
You're disgusting.
I was just gonna say it was gonna be like a tree, and
What?
if it was an oaky baby, it would be like a tree baby.
A true. A baby with bark for skin.
Yes.
You could like pick up.
Warning. Gabriel.
But once you round, because if it's 4.3,
Does it matter?
then
If it's 4.000, then it's not, or it's the same. If it says 4.1, you can stop and say this is not a unit rate. Okay? Don't round. Alright. I'm going to give you one to practice with. So you're going to have to do this on your worksheet that I gave you. Don't say darn it. It's not that big of a deal. Bless you. Max, are you okay? Go ahead and graph that. Do it on the worksheet, second XY chart.
How can there be a repeating number than a number?
What do you mean?
Like, how could it be like 0.0 repeating 1? Because if this number never
Doesn't
ends, huh?
That doesn't happen. You can't have repeating terminating.
That was in the book, right?
Graph it. Tell me if it's proportional or non-proportional. Okay, how about you focus on today's lesson and we'll get, you're not even going to get there, probably, depending on how this class goes. I haven't paid 7th grade ever, so I don't know how this is going to go with you guys. Stop. How many of you need more time?
Nope.
Awesome, you guys are killing this. Proportional or non-proportional? Ellen? Non-proportional, how do you know? How do you know? Ben?
Because when you change it to a unit rate, they're not all 1, 3. The 1 is
Unit rates are always
Thus.
the end in a 1.
and in a 1, so it would be 3, 2.
1,
Good. 3, 2.
1.
And then 5 to 2, we all know is not 3 to 1.
Two.
So that shows you it's not proportional.
Alright.
Megan? Other questions so far? Yes, sir?
Are we going to be allowed to use calculators on this stuff?
What do you need a calculator for? You can't divide 9 by 3.
No, I'm saying, like, can't we?
Okay, I want you to look at that one that we just did.
Oh.
01230359. It goes through the origin. Doesn't that make it proportional if it goes through the origin?
No.
No? Someone tell me why with the hand raised. Something I haven't heard from yet. Natalie, thank you.
You have to be proportional, it has to go through the origin and be in a straight line.
Good. To be proportional, it has to be straight, and it has to go through the origin. If both of those criterion aren't met, you can't make it. You can't say it's proportional. That makes sense. To stay in my classroom, you need to be well behaved and in dress code. You can't do one or the other. Does that make sense? Okay. Real quick, rulers are used for tools, not for slapping yourself or for your desk. I will take them away. And I know it's your beloved best friend.
Hey, I have not been using one lately.
I know.
I haven't used one since like
Your work's really sloppy lately.
I'm really yawning.
Page 48. You know I'm teasing. Chill out. Page 48. Can you see the graphs on this page? Wonderful. Please do numbers 1 and 2.